Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? Delve deeper into NVIDIA as we provide a detailed analysis following our initial report released on Tuesday, April 2, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of potential market changes that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified NVIDIA as a buy candidate with a score of 2.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. Investors who acted on our analysis would have seen a notable gain of 82.19% since NVIDIA was first labeled as a buy candidate 60 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.37% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the lower part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Breaking the lower trend floor at $891.32 could indicate a slower rate of rise or a possible trend shift. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 91.31% change, with a return potential between 90.62% and 111.45%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, a 108.03% change is forecasted, offering a return range of 38.91% to 123.26%. This could result in a price range of $1,242.62 to $1,997.06 in a year. Our latest update on NVIDIA reveals a decline in stock value by 1.01% on Tuesday. The stock price dropped from $903.63 to $894.52 on April 2, 2024. Throughout the day, it ranged from a low of $876.20 to a high of $900.94, showing a fluctuation of 2.82%. Recent trends indicate a positive trajectory with a 1.13% increase over the past 2 weeks, despite a decrease in trading volume by 2 million shares on the last day. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $974 and a low of $262.20. Currently, it stands at $79.48 below the 52-week high, representing an 8.16% decrease from the peak, which also marks the all-time high. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, April 1, 2024, Needham issued a buy rating for NVIDIA with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, March 19, 2024, Wedbush gave NVIDIA an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, March 19, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned a buy rating to NVIDIA with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, March 19, 2024, Wells Fargo provided an overweight rating for NVIDIA with a hold recommendation. On Monday, March 18, 2024, HSBC gave NVIDIA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have rated NVIDIA stock as a strong buy overall. They have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. The return on investment for the stock also receives a strong buy rating from analysts. Analysis of NVIDIA signals. Short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for NVIDIA, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term one, a general buy signal is in place, forecasting a positive outlook for the stock. Resistance is expected at $917.53 and support at $840.30. A break above the short-term average triggers a buy signal, and a breakdown through the long-term average indicates a sell signal. Negative signals, like a recent pivot top point sell signal and a current MACD sell signal, may impact near-term development. Despite volume decreasing along with the price, reducing overall risk, a further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 54 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 103 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 93 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA support rests at $875.28, backed by strong volume accumulation, presenting a potential buying opportunity with an anticipated upward reaction upon testing. With average daily movements and substantial trading volume, the risk level is moderate. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $24.74 or 2.82% between its high and low points. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.48%. Let's start by discussing some key fundamental data before exploring potential trading levels for NVIDIA. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a critical measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate overvaluation or high growth expectations from investors. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q2 2024 is scheduled for May 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.48. It's essential to monitor these figures as they have a significant impact on stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In an upward trend, NVIDIA faces its first resistance level at $908.88. Wait for a breach before considering a position. Existing shareholders might find this level suitable for swing trading. Looking down, the initial support level for NVIDIA is at $875.28. If this level holds, it could serve as an entry point for a possible rebound. The average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On March 28, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 11,000 shares of common stock. On March 25, 2024, Dabry John sold 128 shares of common stock. On March 22, 2024, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 450 shares of common stock. On March 20, 2024, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 875 shares of common stock. On March 20, 2024, Teeter Timothy S. sold 16,572 shares of common stock. From the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -8.070. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 1,045,886 shares and sold 1,235,392 shares. Our recommended stop-loss is set at $841.81 with a decrease of 5.89%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top 5 days ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? Our analysis indicates that several short-term signals, coupled with a positive overall trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity with the potential for NVIDIA stock to perform well in the short term. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have identified the current price as overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, April 3, we anticipate NVIDIA to open down -$3.97 and commence trading at $890.55. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for trading. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your investment choices. presenting our current analysis of this stock. We value your opinion. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What price target do you have in mind? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more insights. Wishing you fruitful trading and a fantastic day from the StockInvest team.